Welcome to Making Memories on EMRYS. My name is Tammy and we're going to do a walkthrough on the boat. First we'll show you our platform that lowers into the water. We have amazing toys locked away in our garage. We have jet skis, we have water boards, we have beautiful lilos so you can lie out in the sun. We have also got some tubes we can have some fun with you and tow you around. After that, we're going to be heading up to the flybridge as well as the aft deck. 1 and 2. What our guests like a lot about our boat is on the aft deck they enjoy a lovely sunset meal or a glass of wine at the end of their day. This table comfortably seats 8 people as well as a lovely meal from our chef. He can do 4-course meals and all the delicious things you'd like on a trip. Oftentimes, guests will use this area to wait before I take them out on amazing excursions. On EMRYS, we offer multiple places where you can get refreshments. Like over here, we have 2 coolers, one with waters and one with our drinks and sodas for you at your leisure. Now let me show you the flybridge. Our flybridge is very popular because we have the most amazing highlights. We've got a beautiful daybed as well as our 8-seater jacuzzi that people really enjoy taking their time and having a glass of wine and watching the sunset. So the flybridge daybed behind me is also one of the favorite places for our guests to rest in between excursions in the afternoons or early mornings if they just want to catch some sun. If that's also the case that you don't want any sun, we have a fully extendable top covering here that actually extends out so you can be in the shade while you enjoy a good book or just relax and catch up on an afternoon nap. This couch area over here is also an alternative place where we serve our meals. So you actually have 3 spots you can have meals on board this vessel. This is our bar area where we offer a range of drinks for you to make sure you're always taken care of when your drinks are topped up. We also have our TV on board that's able to see from anywhere on our flybridge, where you can watch the game day, any sports that you might like to enjoy on your vacation. If you would like to enjoy the view with the captain, you're more than welcome to jump right next to him and be his co-pilot. We've mainly been a charter boat based in the Bahamas, but this season we're going to be heading to the Caribbean come January, February, and we're excited to show our guests a great time there as well. Welcome to the bow of EMRYS. Over here we have a lovely daybed where you can relax in the sun, enjoy the view, as well as take some amazing photos. I enjoy making videos about your trip on board for our guests so that at the end of the week you can recap all the highlights of the great activities we've done with you and the amazing places we get to take you with, you and your family or friends. Let me show you the main salon of EMRYS. Welcome to the main salon of EMRYS. We currently have beautiful seating for everyone. We also offer a wide range of games if it's a rainy day. And one of our prize features on board EMRYS is our amazing drop-down TV. This is also the one spot where I'll be showing you the end of the trip video that I make for you guys every week. As you can see, it drops all the way down, nice and big, and it's one of the best features we have. You can see the footage from our trip on here, as well as you'll be able to take the footage home with you as a gift from your crew. So this is our main dining table on board Yacht EMRYS. It seats 8 people and offers a lot of space for your guests to enjoy a lovely meal with us. We're so grateful to have you guests on board, and we love the testimonials that you guys leave. In our lovely guest book over here, you can also read them yourselves and see what made the trips memorable for other people that came on board and joined us for a great week in the Bahamas or the Caribbean. We had the most incredible trip. Every meal was unbelievable and somehow better than the next. It was just one of the things they left behind. Let's go to the galley and I'll introduce you to our chef who the guests speak so highly of. This is our chef Anton. Tell us a bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Anton. I'm from the Bahamas and I love cooking. What I like about my job is that I get to cook a lot of cuisines for guests that are on board, like Japanese, Italian, French, Caribbean, you name it. And you know, with people with different diet restrictions, I get to make gluten-free stuff, I get to make vegan stuff. So yeah, that's what I love about it. And then at the end of the day, everyone leaves happy and say, oh chef, food was great. And the boat was great, the crew was great, and it makes it all worthwhile, you know. So, yeah, I love it.
It was our pleasure to introduce you to our lovely chef. Next, I'll be taking you through to our master cabin. Welcome to EMRYS Master Cabin. It's a 2-tiered cabin with a huge king bed at the bottom. as well as a lovely couch where you can enjoy your days. This height difference in this cabin allows you to have more privacy as well as feeling more rested in the mornings. Let me take you to the rest of your cabins. In fact, you have 2 master cabins on board. This also offers a king-size bed as well as our forward cabin upstairs. This cabin also offers the boat's wine cooler, so we can keep your wine at temperature if you have a specific preference. We have 2 cabins over here. We've got a twin as well as a queen. The most loved cabin on board by kids. This is our lovely queen cabin where you can relax and enjoy some TV as well, or enjoy the view outside your beautiful window. We have a shower in each of our cabins, and they have 2 different types of handles in there. We've got our main shower upstairs as well as a portable handheld shower as well. Here is our captain, Justin.
Hi guys, and welcome to Motor Yacht EMRYS. My name is Justin Morningway. I am the captain on board EMRYS. I've been with the vessel for 3 years now. Started as the mate and worked my way up to captain. Reason why I love EMRYS, and I think you will too, is because this boat is the perfect place to relax and get away and enjoy some family time or with your friends on a nice vacation. My favorite part about being the captain on board EMRYS is getting to curtail your vacation to your specific requests. Working with the chef to make an amazing menu, working with you guys to figure out what your hobbies are and your enjoyments. As a scuba instructor and having a love for the water, we love to take you guys out and explore the beaches and the snorkel destinations, getting in the water and enjoying that fun with you, as well as making memories for you and your family. Can't wait to have you on board EMRYS to show you a great week. We have 4 professional crew on board. We sleep 8 guests in 4 cabins, and we can't wait to give you an amazing vacation, curtailing experiences, cocktails, and food creations to what you guys would like.